Okay, human brain is divided into three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla, or it is also called brain stem. These are the parts of the brain. Remember this thing, that brain need oxygen continuously. It supply oxygen, it need oxygen. So when you will drink lot of water, so your brain will get more oxygen. So it is very essential for your body that maintain the brain to give it continuously supply of oxygen, as well as it requires food. When you will take food, so you will move your mind quickly and you can learn so many things. Why? Because you are feeling fresh after eating food, but you are hungry, so your mind do not do properly work. So it also need it, what it needs, keep in your mind. First it need oxygen continuously, it need oxygen. Second thing, it need food. Third thing, it need sleep. When you will give it oxygen properly and food you will eat, then it also properly function, it work properly. And when you will take sleep properly at time, so it will also get energetic. So keep in your mind these things, that cerebellum is divided in, cerebellum has a, how much it is large. Look at, it is divided vertically into two halves. Look at, this is the vertically divided into two halves, and cerebellum is the largest part. This is called cerebrum. This all part is called cerebrum. It is the largest part. Look at cerebrum from here to here. This is cerebrum. It is divided into vertically half. Right side is here, left side is here. So what happened? The right half of the cerebrum control the left side of the body. Here show you, the right side of the brain control the left part of the body. Here means this part, this hand, this leg, this body is controlled. Left part of the body is controlled by the right side of the brain, and the left side of the brain control the right side of the body parts. These are the leg, hand, fingers, everything. It is covered by the, it is controlled by the left side of the brain, cerebrum. Next is cerebellum. Cerebellum, what is the function of cerebellum? It also perform very important job. It is where it is located, below the cerebrum. cerebrum के नीचे ही cerebellum है. It control, it is, its function is to control the balance and movement of the muscles and joint. You are, every time you are doing some work, you are sitting, sleeping, eating, working, playing, watching. So cerebellum help you to move your muscles. It help you in your physical activities. You are playing, you are walking, you are running, you are move your muscles. Whenever you move your muscles by moving your hand, by moving your leg, आप जो भी physical activities करते हैं, that is just because of the cerebellum. Cerebellum help you to do this activity, these muscles, because it perform important function in your muscles and joints, to keep the balance between the muscles and joint. ये आपकी muscles and joint की movement के बीच में balance रखता है, उनकी activities को control करता है. Which thing? Cerebellum. So keep in your mind that what are the function of cerebellum.